Introducing Dream Glass Air, the world's first portable AR private theater. Have you thought your phone screen is too small? Dream Glass Air works with any phone to play any content on a 100-inch QHD screen privately. With a unique foldable design, it's compact enough to take on the go. Wherever you are, a stunning fantasy dream world is always within reach. Put on Dream Glass Air. You can watch a movie, catch the game, or switch seamlessly to a phone app. While you're traveling outside, it can turn any seat into first class and make time fly. Back to the office, it can boost your productivity and bring your ideas to life. With Dream Glass Air, you can entertain yourself in complete privacy, totally hands-free. The user-friendly design of it will keep you feeling comfortable even during long viewing sessions. In your spare time, you can also watch your favorite TV shows and enjoy the breeze it brings to you without holding the phone. Multitasking in a futuristic way, you can even cook with the help of augmented reality. And DIY jobs will be easier with hands-free visual help. Gamers get ready to play your favorite games in a completely new way and have a glimpse of the future by wearing the Dream Glass Air. See the world without boundaries and join us in an innovative new world where dreams come true.
Introducing Moft Carry Sleeve, the newest member of Moft Invisible family. Designed by invisible space folding structure and invisible storage, Moft takes the use of Carry Sleeve to the next level. With an exclusive structure supported by 21 built-in magnets. Fold out to start to use the 15-degree angle. Fold in to get a 25-degree angle. It's the highest angle you can get among all sleeves, providing you a better posture on the go. The triangle design provides a wider opening while maintaining a compact shape. And the neoprene material makes the storage compartment practically invisible. It magically expands when you need it, but stays flat when you don't. You always have enough room to store all your essential accessories, and no one knows. Whether you're hopping out for a quick meeting, a work lunch, or a study session at the library, you'll be ready. The Moft sleeve is made of customized PU material, 30% thinner but with much more durability. The feather-soft touch feeling with crafted edge paint, while the scratch resistance, water resistance, and moisture protection defend your laptop from daily wear. It'll keep your device in shape for years. And even after 1,000 foldings, the sleeve itself will look brand new. Moft is supporting up to 10 kilograms of weight, compatible with any laptop, and you'll never have to worry about the device overheating even after extended usage. The flat surface allows for steady typing, enabling every hustler to work and create anywhere with ease and comfort. No matter what kind of situation you're in, you can handle it easily. Commuting feels like a breeze with no added bulk. And say goodbye to the trouble of matching the daily look. It keeps your day-to-day adventures light and convenient. Moft, make the world your office.
This is the Bold Knot from Bold Gadgets, and it's the best way to take charge against low battery. We rely on our phones for a lot, and for many of us, our battery doesn't even last to the end of the day. The Bold Knot has an internal battery that gives your phone a quick boost of up to 30%, so you can spend more time worrying about what matters to you. The Bold Knot also works as a standard USB charging cable, and it will charge off your computer faster than other cables. Once your phone's battery is full, the knot will begin charging itself. The Bold Knot is durable and made of super strong parachute cord, so it can take whatever you throw at it. Other charging solutions involve multiple cables which can get tangled or damaged. The knot comes with everything you need to get started. The distinctive loop includes both an end to charge your phone and an end to charge the knot. And both ends lock together, creating a tight seal and giving you maximum portability. The Bold Knot can charge wherever you need it, whether you want to charge overnight or on the go. And the Knot is available for both iOS and Android. The Bold Knot is almost ready to ship, and your support will help bring this product to the world. Bold Knot. Get the most out of your phone, no matter who you are.
Life puts us every day in stressful situations. No matter how hard we try to relax, taking a break from it all is becoming increasingly difficult. Unfortunately, this restless rhythm takes a toll on our well-being. That's why we created Ostrich Pillow Loop, the ultimate eye pillow. It provides a cocoon to rest where you want, when you want. Its smart design allows you to put it on easily and catch some good recovering snooze in total blackout isolation and absolute comfort. And once you're done, you can conveniently carry it with you. Unlike conventional eye masks, Ostrich Pillow Loop delivers a unique comfort experience thanks to its ergonomic form, microbeads filling, smooth external fabric, and elastic closure which adapts to all head sizes.
This is a very small selfie drone. It can even be charged by a power bank. It weighs only 199 grams, 0.4 millimeters thick. Also reduced the core board by 90%. Small means this is a selfie drone that can be put into your pocket. You only need 5 minutes and you can become a drone expert. Use the app on your cell phone to make it fly. When it takes off on your palm, it's Dobby. And you can do this, and you can do that. Voice manipulated. Tap to take off. Wow! Also toss it to fly. It is very small, but it resists the wind. It flies freely both indoors and outdoors. And it can even hover inside. So you can take clear selfies in different scenes. The picture is so vivid. Real-time mode, continuous mode, time-delayed mode, and appearance advanced mode. Of course, it has excellent performance on video shooting too. You can easily control it all through your cell phone. So, those photos are synchronized to your cell phone photo album in real time. One key to share to your favorite social media. The power of regular drones and the power of Dobby to go beyond them. Well, it is small, but not too small to carry gifts, to bring surprises to loved ones. It can show off, one-click rolling. Dobby can fly by gesture control. It detects and tracks your face. It can automatically follow moving objects. Even if you shake it unintentionally, it automatically adjusts to stable shooting. Unprecedented cool experience, all integrated in this palm-sized pocket Dobby. This is the future in your hands. Another interesting function is automatic trajectory video shooting, which is used in classical movies. Yes, this is Dobby, a portable selfie drone that allows you unlimited creativity. Let Dobby shine your life.